Welcome back to the Everyday Fishing Channel. We're out here at Meadowbrook Park with some more minnows. Gotta love it. And we got our pole bending for, well, first we have bells ringing. You know what bells ringing means? Oh crap, we ain't caught up in this other line. Nope, we ain't gonna get caught up on the other line. Ain't no way. We got us our first little bass on. That's what I'm talking about. Boy, he's pale. He's pale. Oh, yeah. There we go, we're on the board. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, where you going, man? Check out these cool new gloves we got. The fingers, Velcro to the back of your hand. So bam, you got your hands, you can, oh man. Gotta love your old lady on Christmas. Yeah, this guy looks weird, don't he? Got you, bud. Yeah, we got him. He's pale looking, ain't he? God dang. He is super pale. Alright, well, let's let him go. Get on back in there, buddy boy. Alright, there he goes. Whoa! That's what I'm talking about. On the board. Shit, man, check out these gloves. By Palmith? I don't know how the hell you say that. These are some pretty sweet gloves though, man. Today's the day after Christmas, right? Today's the day after Christmas, December 26th. As you can see, it's freaking snowing. But that don't matter, bro. We're fishing. We are out here catching some dang fish. Love it. Let's see if I can get this camera off the chest. Give you guys a nice howdy doody. Oh, and of course we're using a usual setup. The Lew's Laser Pro with 6-pound test line on a Mr. Crappie slab shaker. It's a light action rod, but really I think it's an ultra light. And we're using a double drop shot rig with a little bitty circle hook, a second little bitty circle hook, and then a 1/2 ounce weight. Keep everything suspended in the water column. That's what we're doing today. Tell you what, I'm gonna cut this one short, but I'll be back for more, don't you worry. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, man. I appreciate you guys watching. Share this with everybody you know. Tell your mama, tell your daddy, tell your granny, tell everybody. Go fishing every day, man.